Hi guys, it's Melanie, and this is week 6's video, and the first question is, broadly thinking, how should individuals from diverse backgrounds be educated within the school system, and how should it be played out? Okay, so to answer that question, I definitely think as teachers and special education teachers, we need to be able to keep in mind their cultural background and be able to provide them any services that they may need to be able to succeed. And especially testing wise, we need to be able to keep in mind if they have prominent speaking Spanish parents, they may be better at taking a test in Spanish than in English. I also think it's important that we keep in mind when we say diverse backgrounds, it could even be poverty. So, home life, we need to keep in mind what we can do to be able to keep them comfortable at school, help them succeed in that area. If they need anything, to be able to provide that. And I think with poverty, it's kind of hard just because, like, being able to know where they are emotionally that day. Or what they may need or what they're dealing with is completely difficult to be able to maybe get out of them. And once we do, we can definitely start to be able to help them in that area and to succeed academically. And also, when we say diverse, we typically think of like Spanish speaking parents or poverty, but we also need to keep in mind stereotypes. So, like the jocks, the populars, even like the geeks, anything like that. We need to keep in mind. Basically keeping in mind that we need to keep the classroom equal, meaning academically, and not whether or not we're worrying about like their status in the classroom. And that actually brings us to our second question: how do we as teachers, special and general, limit bias in the classroom? And basically we have to remember that everyone's equal, that we need to keep them academically equal to some aspect, keeping them on the same page, not discriminating, anything like that. When the first thing I thought about when I read the question was not keeping a teacher pet in a way. That's just what I thought of. Being able to not play favorites, basically.